Igor Chua Cabigon. I'm 18 years old. Favorite ko ng mga DVDs, lalo ng mga series, naglalaro ng basketball. Pag wala akong magawa, nag-drawing ng mga ano. Pag wala akong magawa talaga, nag-dito sa kusang sa amin. Yung Chicksers, yung lang high school pala kami. Talagang as a close friends. Para na kami magkapatid. Sobrang nasaya ako at makalabas. Kasi mga kapatid yun sila.
Beatbox yan.
Crystal clear. Go ahead and tell me how, and I'll say what you bear. See how I live with every piece of you. Don't underestimate the things that I will do. There's a fire starting in my heart, reaching a fever visions beyond the dark. Just cause of your